Hello from Slovenia. I just want to show you some of my dry and varnish paintings. I just couldn't get this glare, shimmery effects, or I can maybe like this of my flower dips and spiral flower dips, and this one is so shimmery too, so maybe I can show it to you this way. You see this gold shimmers really nice, and all these effects, sorry, I couldn't can't get on the sun, because if I get, then will be just a glare into it, so I just can't. So we'll try to show it here in my shadow, and I hope that you will see all the beauty of these flowers. This one is that way, I think. This is the one that I blow it out, and I love it. See all this shimmer. And from some of my, whoops, you see a sun, leftovers, I did this um, kind of ring pour. So I just want to ask you if maybe you would be interested in some live auction. I go on vacation next week, but when I will come back at the middle of the August, if you are interested, tell me. I can do some live auction, because I find some post service that this size 8x8 canvases can ship to USA for about $15, not 35 like my other post companies were asking. So this is not as much, so maybe you would be interested. I just love this one. It's almost like I don't know, it has a frozen flower in the middle, you see, and this center there is some sun, you see it. Maybe if I go there, I don't know. No, I will tape them. I will show them to you on the daylight when I will do a preview, if you were you will be interested in live auctions. So this is it for this time. Please leave a comment and tell me if you will be interested in some live auctions. So see you. Bye.